refrigerant to recharge, 2021 Toyota Camry. So we're about to charge this one up. Brand new condenser. We got down to 152 microns. It's a cold morning in San Francisco. And this has 610 grams. The oil is DENSO's ND12. So let's get this ready. Close off the vacuum. Vacuum is now closed. Low side is now closed. You could see the vacuum decay go up. And it'll tell you the amount of moisture that is still inside the system depending on how far up it goes. And this has been sitting in the body shop open to the atmosphere for a while, so it'll be quite moisture decayed even after vacuum, unless you were going to leave it on the vacuum pump overnight. It has a brand new desiccant material in it, so when you get these type of condensers, they have the receiver dryers on the side. So that is a brand new desiccant. Off. The refrigerant is sitting right here in liquid form, ready to go in. The high side is open. Let's zero out our scale. This is the field piece scale, the SR47. So now let's put in 610 grams. Let's see if I could get this without glare in your eyes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So we'll wait for 610 grams to go in. And we're approaching 5. Start necking it down. Right there. Stop. 620, 10 grams over. All right, so let's start this up. And I'll graph out the pressures. So we'll come over here. Pressures, temperatures. I got to put the temperature gauge in the dash. And we'll do the pressures. And it would help if I had this open. I didn't have that open because I already shut it off because I was getting ready for the liquid. All right. So we'll be back. I'll start this up. I'll let it steady out and let's see what our pressures and temperature. It's a cool morning. As you can see, 65 degrees temperature being taken right here, right now. And we'll see what the pressures and temperatures on this vehicle are at 65 degree ambient temperature.